Okay, welcome to my video. This video is going to cover the index function on Excel and how you can use it to specify, to return some data when you specify a row and a column. So imagine this is a mini Excel table. This table here. I mean, like Excel, you have your columns along the top and your rows along the side. So imagine this. You take this cell here, with 3 columns along and 4 rows down. Now if we give Excel this information, or give the index function this information, we can return this data. So using the index function, we get told what we need to type in. So first we need to type in an array. We're looking on the top one, by the way. The bottom one is for multiple tables. I'll cover that later. But the top thing here. First is the array. Array is a word for a set of data, and the array here is going to be the table. So to fill this in, we just highlight the table we want to use. And we have 2 things left. We have a row number and a column number. If we just select these 2 cells here, 1 for row, 1 for column, we shall complete our formula. So if you want it to return this data here, we change the column to row 3. So remember, it's all from the top left hand corner, it's all in relation to the top left hand corner. So 3 columns across and 5 columns down. 5 rows down. So that will show you, that should change. Yep. That is representing this column here. So this can be very useful for just displaying data which you have in a table of results or anything which you have. And it doesn't have to be a table. It can just be like a 1-column list, and you just specify some data which is so many rows downwards. This also can be used for multiple tables. If I delete this, we can see on the second this sort of second section here, it will say reference instead of array, and you have an extra thing on the end saying area number. The area number is which table you're using. So if we use the example here, we have 2 tables. This will be table 1, this will be table 2. So anyway, with references, if we want to define these 2 tables, we don't highlight it all, because that would just be 1 table. We want to highlight the first table, the comma, highlight the second table. You may say we are into the row number table. You see this going bold because we're into the row number. To combat that, what we need to do is what we need to do to combat that is put these in brackets, and we can say we're still on the first section here, the reference. So remember, when you got your multiple tables, you just put commas between them. However, you have to put a bracket overall. So when you're after that, it's the same as before. We specified a row number, which is going to be D4, the column number, which is going to be E4, and now the area number you can specify here, and we'll give that as an option. So area number, let's actually say table. So let's say table 2. So that should return in table 2 3 columns across and 5 columns down. QW, QW, and see, and just check that's the right data. Change that, and that should change. So just to recap, the first section you specify the table or multiple tables which you have. If you are doing multiple tables, you specify them, or you break them up with a comma, then you put brackets between all your data. The second section is your row number, the third section is your column number, and if you have multiple tables, you have a 4th section which is going to be your table which table you want to specify. So I hope this video helps you understand a bit more about Excel. Please leave some feedback on this video, we'd really appreciate it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.